I mean, you should go film it outside.
Oh no, I'm not going outside, man.
Could you imagine being weather reporter?
Yeah. Alright everyone, we are in Walworth County and the weather, we have a severe thunderstorm weather here at the moment. See, it's very wind. How many miles per hour does
Well, it
that?
said it could get up to 60.
60 miles per hour. So we were just outside, out and about, having our dinner. And then when we left our house, it says that we checked the weather first. We didn't really see any warning in the county where we were, but then when on our way back, the ride was about 40 minutes. We checked our phone again and we saw that there was a warning, not tornado, Walworth County warning. What is severe thunderstorm warning. So we drove back. We kind of hurried on the way back. And look at that. So windy.